Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, tell me why. Just leave me a little message down below and let me know why. And then tell me, yes, I did subscribe. Either way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be opening up our Tribe Beauty bag. Okay, and for those of you who are not familiar with Tribe, you have to become a Tribe member. You really do, okay? When you see what's inside, you'll want to be a part. And all the information will be down below so that when you do decide, you can go ahead and hit the link below, save some money off on your first one, and then enjoy it from here on out. So, let's just jump right in. I am excited to open up this month's bag. So, of course, when we open it, there is a description card down on the inside, and it says the June Tribe Beauty Box. And it says, thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy your Tribe Beauty Box of the month. And we have a referral code, okay? Now, we're going to jump right in. Oh, okay. It's a little extra. Okay. My addiction is in this bag. I'll just go ahead and admit it right off the bat. But that's not first. So we're going to go ahead and open this part up so we can see. I do love that they, do try to add some extra care with how the items are wrapped. So here we go. The first item that I have is by Spoiled Lips Cosmetics. Okay. And it is a variant item, so let me see which one I have. All right. And by Spoiled Lips Cosmetics, as I stated. And what I have is the Romantic Getaway. And it says this is a palette, y'all. And it's perfect for monochromatic looks, for day-to-day looks and vacations. They include 9 highly pigmented shades, including 7 mattes and 2 super shine shimmers. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $24. So, oh, this is cute. This is cute. Here's the packaging. That's really cute. All right, and here are what the shades look like. Oh, they are gorgeous. I do see what they're saying about the 2 super shines right here. Okay, so how about this? Let's swatch one of those and we'll do a couple of the mattes. Ooh, yes. I am excited to try this out for real. Okay. These are the 3 that we're swatching. Nice. At first, I thought the top one didn't swatch, but it really did. That's a beautiful color. That is beautiful. Okay, we're off to a really good start here. So I'm gathering somewhere there is a list of shade names because, let's see if I can get this close enough for you to see. There is a shadow cover that has the numbers on it. So I'm gathering somewhere there has to be some shade names. I'm gonna check online and see. If there are, we'll deal with that when we do our create and review. So that is item number 1. Item number 2 is by Estee Lauder. And this is the Modern Muse Rollerball. Now, I've used this before. I do like this particular scent. I like the packaging. Okay. And of course, it's by Estee Lauder. So, and the description card says, this is a floral woody musk fragrance. The top note is mandarin orange. Middle notes are jasmine, sambac, Chinese jasmine, lily honeysuckle, flower petals, and tuberose, with the base notes being musk, woody notes, patchouli leaf, amber, and Madagascar vanilla. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $26, and the size is 0.2 fluid ounces. This is the inner packaging, Modern Muse, on the glass rollerball, as well as on the actual packaging. Okay, so that one is item number 2. Then the next item that I have is by Ofra, and this is the Universal Eyebrow Pencil, and it says, love a natural brow. This pencil is universally flattering on all brown tones. Flattering on all brow tones. This pencil is made from synthetic beeswax, so easily glides onto your brows to create a smooth and long-lasting shape. And the manufacturer suggested retail price is $13, and the shade is called Universal. So here we go. Okay, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it is right here. I can always use a brow pencil. I'm here for it. Then the last item, okay, I guess I'm missing something out of here because it says we're at the last item, and it's this one right here, and it is the Luxie Beauty Luxury Glimmering Brush Set. And it says this set was inspired by rose quartz and the healing qualities and properties that come from the earth's natural creation. It was created using the latest generation of synthetic tapered heads to provide extraordinary performance and make this new set indispensable to all makeup enthusiasts. And the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $80. Now y'all know how I am about brushes. Yet another one to add to my collection. Oh, this is a full face set though. We can use this. Here we go. Let me give you a better view. And this one has the 520 tapered face, the 522 tapered highlights, the 512 small contouring, the 239 precision shader, and the 205 tapered blending brush. Look, y'all know I'm here for it. And I do like the fact that it comes this way so we can stand it up. Put it on display when it's not being used. But I want to take it out so you can fully see what the brush handle looks like. That's beautiful. Okay, and that is the last item that I have in my box. Now, according to the description card, there was actually another item. Not sure what happened with that. And that one was the Karma Co. Birthday Cake Lip Scrub. Can't show you what it looks like because I don't have it. Can't show you, the texture or anything like that because it's not in the box. So I will let Try Beauty Box know about that, and we will keep it moving. Now, love, love, love this box. You'll know, I would say right off the bat, this is my favorite, but we all know how I feel about brushes. If you're new here, welcome to the family, and my name is Gina, and I am a brushaholic. I'm just saying, I own it. So, we received the brushes, in this month's Try Beauty box, we received the Luxie brushes, the Spoiled Lip Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and the Ofra Universal Eyebrow Pencil, and the Modern Muse perfume from Estee Lauder. Okay, well, I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we explored our Try Beauty box. Here are the contents of the box. Down below, you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price for all the items that are enclosed. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.